Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to buy Google Meet Premium. Want to unlock premium features in Google Meet? You can buy Google Meet Premium directly as a standalone product, but you can get those features through either Google One or Google Workspace. For personal users, the easiest option is Google One Premium. Go to the Google One plans page, sign in with your Google account, and choose a higher tier plan like 2 TB or above. Add your payment method and subscribe, and this can unlock some feature like longer calls and better video quality. For business or professional use, go to Google Workspace pricing, select a plan such as business standard or higher, and start a free trial. After entering your business details and payment information, you'll gain access to advanced Meet features like recordings, breakout rooms, higher participant limits, and enhanced video settings. Once activated, this feature automatically applies to your Google Meet account without any extra setup. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.